Is it time to buy or sell the SOXL exchange-traded fund? In this video, we will explore SOXL in depth. Our initial report was published on our website on the 23rd of September, 2024, and we are here to present an even more comprehensive analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay informed about our latest analyses. You will not want to miss any important updates that could affect your investments. Improve your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool, powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Leverage the capabilities of AI to receive free price predictions and in-depth analyses for any one of 25,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video serves informational purposes only and should not be interpreted as financial advice. Since the 23rd of September, 2024, our system has categorized SOXL as a hold or accumulate, assigning it a score of -0.32. Now, let's examine the stock's performance throughout this time frame. The stock has experienced natural fluctuations, yet it currently reflects a loss of 0% since our initial hold or accumulate recommendation. The exchange-traded fund has broken through a very wide and declining short-term trend. Initially, a slower rate of decline is indicated, which may signal an early shift in the trend. Upon reaction, there will be support at the ceiling of the trend that has been broken, which stands at $30.26. This level may offer a second opportunity for a strong upward move. According to fan theory, the next potential peak in the trend is expected to be at $50.98, which could act as a resistance level that may not be surpassed on the first attempt. The current 3-month trend suggests a possible decline of 52.06% over the next 3 months, with a potential return ranging from -86.53% to -57.24%. In terms of the 12-month trend, it indicates a change of 60.31% over the next 12 months, with a potential return between 28.52% and 252.04%. This corresponds to a price range of $43.59 to $119.41 after 1 year. Our latest daily update for SOXL features the headline, SOXL ETF upgraded to hold accumulate. The SOXL ETF price increased by 1.1% on the last trading day, which was Monday, the 23rd of September, 2024, rising from $33.55 to $33.92. During that trading day, the ETF experienced fluctuations of 3.6%, reaching a low of $33.19 and a high of $34.38. The price has appreciated in 5 of the last 10 days and has risen by 23.66% over the past 2 weeks. It is important to note that volume decreased on the last day by 48 million shares, with a total of 59 million shares traded, amounting to approximately $2 billion. Falling volume amid rising prices can signal divergence and may serve as an early warning for potential changes in the coming days. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest price of the ETF was $70.08, while the lowest price reached $14.01. Currently, the price is 51.6% or $36.16 below its 52-week high and 91.03% or $344.32 below the all-time high reached on the 26th of November, 2020, when the price peaked at $378.24. Recent developments regarding the direction daily semiconductor bull 3x shares exchange traded fund, or SOXL, indicate a mixed outlook that investors should carefully consider. The semiconductor sector has witnessed significant volatility over the past few years, driven largely by the artificial intelligence boom. While stocks like Nvidia and AMD have provided impressive returns, the inherent risks cannot be overlooked. As of late September, SOXL has experienced a steep decline of approximately 52% from its mid-June peak. Technical analyses suggest a potential year-end rally may be on the horizon, yet caution remains paramount given the ETF's history of extreme volatility. Despite signs that a bottom may be forming, the reliance on daily rebalancing poses risks that can magnify short-term losses. Moreover, the recent unwinding of the yen carry trade has injected additional turbulence into the markets. This has led to heightened volatility, making leveraged ETFs like SOXL particularly susceptible to sharp price swings. Investors may face a challenging landscape in the short term, marked by the potential for further losses if market conditions worsen. In the long term, while those willing to navigate this risk could find opportunities for significant returns, if semiconductor stocks rally, the overall sentiment leans towards caution. For many, alternative strategies through safer ETFs such as SOXX may offer a preferable risk-return profile. As both market sentiment and technical indicators evolve, monitoring SOXL closely will be critical for making informed investment decisions. The following signals have been identified for SOXL. The SOXL ETF currently presents buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, suggesting a positive outlook for the stock. However, there is a general sell signal arising from the relationship between these two indicators, indicating that the long-term average is above the short-term average. In the event of downward corrections, support can be expected around the levels of $33.07 and $33.79. A decline beneath either of these levels will trigger sell signals. Additionally, a buy signal has emerged from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, or MACD. Notably, trading volume decreased during the last trading day, despite an increase in prices. This creates a divergence between volume and price, which may serve as an early warning. It is advisable to monitor the ETF closely. There have also been some negative signals, which could impact short-term developments. A sell signal was generated from a pivot top point on Wednesday, August 21st, 2024, and thus far, the ETF has decreased by 18.72%. Further declines are anticipated until a new bottom pivot is established. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence, buy signal. Pivots, sell signal 23 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal 112 days ago. Short-term moving average, sell signal 5 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal 4 days ago. The relationship between the short and the long moving averages indicated a buy signal 46 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, buy signal 4 days ago. The long-term moving average, sell signal 44 days ago. The relationship between the short and the long moving averages indicated a buy signal 34 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to find more signals. Let's explore the support, risk, and stop loss for SOXL. On the downside, the exchange-traded fund finds support just below today's level from accumulated volume at $32.16 and $29.34. There is an inherent risk when an exchange-traded fund is testing a support level. If this level is breached, the fund may decline to the next support threshold. In this case, SOXL has support just under today's level at $32.16. If this is broken, the next support level from accumulated volume will be at $29.34 and $27.89. This exchange-traded fund can experience significant fluctuations during the day, indicating high volatility. With a notably large prediction interval from the Bollinger Band, this exchange-traded fund is deemed very high risk. Over the last day, the fund fluctuated by $1.20 between its high and low, representing 3.6%. In the past week, it has experienced an average daily volatility of 7.01%. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for SOXL. In case of an upward trend, the first resistance level for SOXL is at $35. If you don't own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be breached before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could be a level to consider for swing trading. On the downside, SOXL encounters its first support level at $32.16. If this support level holds, it could be a good entry point, anticipating a rebound. Our recommended stop loss is set at $32.12, indicating a decrease of 5.32%. This exchange-traded fund experiences very high daily fluctuations, which results in a significant level of risk. A sell signal has been identified from a pivot top that occurred 32 days ago. Is SOXL ETF a good buy? SOXL presents several positive signals. However, we do not find these to be sufficient for a buy recommendation. At this current level, it should be viewed as a hold candidate, meaning investors should maintain or accumulate their positions while awaiting further developments. We have upgraded our analysis conclusion for this ETF, moving from a sell recommendation to a hold or accumulate stance. After reviewing the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Tuesday, the 24th of September, we anticipate SOXL to open lower, down by approximately 9 cents, starting at $33.83. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money and that you should consult with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. Your investment decisions should not be based solely on StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you accept responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? We invite you to comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the exchange-traded fund? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a beautiful day. With warm regards from all of us here at StockInvest.